Yo, what's up, guys? You're welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my analysis on gold, which is Xauusd for the week. All right, so let's start. Looking at gold from let's go to day one so you can see things clearly. Okay, so let's switch to day one time frame. Looking at gold from the daily time frame, you can see that what gold has been on a very strong buys. Okay, so there have been some little sales or but more of buys. All right, so let's switch to 4 hours time frame here. So if you switch over to the 4 hours time frame here, we can see that what the market has been bullish. Okay, so we had this demand zone, okay, and this resistance which gold broke, and then it came back to retest it again and it went up. All right, so let me show you guys. So you can see this demand zone clearly on the 4 hours time frame here. Okay, and then you can see this resistance which gold broke at this point here. Okay, so the market bought massively here. Let's go to our one time frame. So first of all, this was the demand zone which I highlighted, and then at this demand zone the market reacted to it 3 times. So went up, okay, it came back to this zone, it reacted again, then before it finally started going up massively. All right, and then we had this resistance where the market dropped from, okay, from forms. All right, so when forms was released, the market went up, but it sold from this resistance back to this demand zone, and then from here it started buying massively and it broke this resistance. All right, so after breaking this resistance, the market just kept on going up and up and up. Okay, so you can see it just kept going up, even though it's pulling back, it's just small pullback. All right, so it just kept on going up and up. Okay, but when the market got here, it started retracing deeply. Okay, so it is supposed to fly from this place and continue going up, but here it's from the lower high again. It's from the lower high here. Okay, so the market is supposed to continue going bullish at this point, but it failed to break this resistance, and then it formed the lower high. Okay, it dropped, it took out this demand here. Okay, so it broke this zone at this point here. It broke this zone and then it went down to this next demand zone here again. So if you guys can see this demand zone clearly. All right, so it broke this demand zone because of news. Okay, so the market just kept on selling and selling, and it broke this zone and it went to this next demand zone here on 1 hour's time. And also the market formed a very, very wide divergence here. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this bullish divergence which it formed here. Okay, so it formed a very wide divergence which did what? Led to this massive buy. All right, so it bought from here, it pulled back to this point again, and then it started buying. All right, so here we have a zone where the market stood from again. Okay, so this is the zone. You can see this zone carefully where I just marked right now. Okay, so this is the zone where the market reacted from. Okay, after it broke this support, it retested this zone, it went back to this demand here. Okay, but from this demand, the market is bullish, so it just continue moving up after the news. Okay, so it's kept on moving up, so it consolidated up here a bit. So this is a little consolidation around here. Then before it finally broke this resistance here, all right. So after breaking this resistance, the market failed to break this supply zone again. Okay, so which is showing that this supply zone is a very, very strong supply. All right. The market failed to what? To break this zone here, and then it sold massively again. So what I expect is, because this market is bullish, I still expect this market to go up. Okay, so you can see this zone where it retested here, and then it went up, it came back here. So I expect the market to buy from this point. Okay, so this is my first forecast on gold. So the market should buy from this point. It should retest here and what, and keep on going up. Okay, and we also have a kind of trend line here. All right, so you can see this trend line. So it is giving us a more reasons why the market should buy from here. All right, so this is my first analysis. I'm expecting gold to buy from this, so this zone here. Okay, so this zone here is where I expect gold to continue flying from massively. All right, and if the otherwise happen, then we'll see gold continue dropping from this supply zone. All right, so guys, so this is my analysis on gold. All right, and also if you want to be part of my Telegram community where I share features daily with over 80% accuracy. Okay, so you check on this video link description and I will drop the link there. All right, so you can join and then start trading with me daily. Okay, so if this is your first time watching this video, I would like you to smash the subscribe button and comment. All right, thanks.